Hi everyone, and welcome back to yet another episode at Learn Math with Rosie. So today we're going to be talking about how to factorize numbers, or how to put numbers into the building blocks that they were made out of, right? So I'm going to go ahead and jump into an example right here. So for example, if I have something like 96, okay? So we want to know what kind of numbers 96 is made out of, right? So there is something that I call the tree method, right? And it is very useful, and it always helps you keep track of whatever work you're doing, right? So the first step is to put 96 into something times something else, right? You can put it into whatever multiplication that you like. I'm going to choose 2 times 48. Okay, 2 times 48. So now, is 2 a prime number? Yes. I'm going to just color it with blue. Okay, I'm just going to show that. Use blue to show that it's a prime number. And then 48, I can put it into 6 and an 8. Why not? You can choose to put it into a 2 and a 24, or anything else, really, that you like, except 1 and something else would just be ridiculous because 1 is not, doesn't help you. Okay, and then after that, we're going to split 6 into 2 pieces. So we're going to say 6 is 3 and a 2. Okay, so I'm going to color these guys because they are also prime numbers. And 8, I'm going to put it into a 4 and a 4. Now I'm still not at a prime number, so let's split 4 into a 2 and a 2. And 4 into its own building blocks, which is a 2 and a 2. So now I'm going to color all of these prime numbers. Okay, so at the end I'm going to say 96 is equal to 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them times 3 to the power of 1, because I have only one of them. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, you can put it in the comments below. I'm going to be answering questions in the comments. And now I'm going to be proceeding with other example problems. All right? So let's take another example. And let's work with the number 108. Okay? So again, we're going to split this number into 2 multiplications, right? So we're going to say, for example, 108 is 2 times 54. Okay, so now 2 is a prime number, so I'm just going to show that with blue. And 54 is, I don't know, it's 6 times 9. You could write 2 times 27. You could write, honestly, anything that works. Okay, so neither 6 nor 9 are prime numbers, so I'm going to put 6 into its building blocks, which is 3 and 2. And these are prime numbers, so I'm just going to show them with blue. And then 9, I'm going to put it into 3 and 3. Okay? So then I'm going to put that into blue as well to show that it's a prime number. So now 108 is equal to 2 to the power of, I have 2 of them, times 3 to the power of 3. Good. All right, so let's try another example. Let's put 206,000, so 21,600, right? So right off the bat, the 0 guys are very easy to split, okay? So I'm going to say this is a 100 times 216, okay? So 100 gives me 10 times 10. And every 10 gives me a 2 by 5 and a 2 by 5. So I suggest every time you have zeros in front of your number, go ahead and put those on the side and just split them into 2s and 5s and then deal with the rest of the number, okay? So 216, okay? Let's split it into 36 and 6, okay? And 6 is not into its prime numbers, so we're going to put it into 3 and 2. 36 again goes 6 and 6. And I can put into 3 and a 2, and I can put this guy into 3 and a 2. Okay, so now all of these end nodes in my tree, right, are all prime numbers, my prime factors. Okay, so I can say 21,600 is equal to 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, times 3 to the power of 1, 2, 3 of them, times 5 to the power of just 2 of them. So that's it. And I put 21,600 into its prime factors. Okay? So let's do one more example here. We're going to take 210. Okay? So again, it has a 0, so I'm going to just separate that 0 right off the bat. I'm going to say it's a 10 times 21. So 10 gives me a 2 and a 5, and 21 gives me a 3 and a 7. Okay? So these 2, 5, 3, 7 are all prime numbers, and so 210 gives me 2 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 1 times 7 to the power of 1. All right? So let's do another example here. We're going to do 1950. Okay? All right, so again, I'm going to split the 10 and 195. Okay? As usual, the 10 gives us a 2 and a 5, and 195, I'm going to split it to a 5 and a 39. Okay? And then I'm going to split the 195 into a 5 and a 39. Okay? So 2, 5, 5 are prime numbers, and 39 is a 3 and a 13, and they are both prime numbers. So then I can say 1950 is equal to 2 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 2 times 13 to the power of 1. Okay, that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. As well, if you have any questions, you can write them right in the comments below, and I'll be answering any questions. As well, if you are interested in having a private tutoring session with me, you can contact me via the comments below or to the email address or phone number in the description listed. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.